Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video I'll show you how you can share full reel story on Instagram story. When you want to share full reel or to add full reel on Instagram story, Instagram will split that story into bits, means 30 seconds and 30 seconds and 30 seconds. What if you want to keep a single reel, full reel as your Instagram story? It is possible. I'll show you in a very easy way. In just less than a minute it is possible. So open Instagram and choose the reel you want to post it on your Instagram story, which is a full reel. Okay, yeah, maybe this reel. You can click on this link, forward link, and click on copy link. Okay, just open Instagram and click on this forward symbol, and down you will get this copy link. If you use this add to story, it will split the story. So just copy the link and come back and open your Play Store and search for repost for IG in the sense Instagram. Okay, you need to select this one, this icon, and you can see the publisher here, and just install this and open. And yeah, as soon as you copy the link, you will see something like link detected, and it will show that particular reel. And all that you need to do is add to story. Just with one simple step it is done. Okay, what I'll do is add to story again. Yeah, see here, now you can post this story. Click on share. Done. That's it. Now you're sharing full reel on your Instagram story. It is being posted, but it is a full story without any cuts or without any cropping or without making the full reel into singular small reels. It is posting full reel on your Instagram story. So if you like this video tutorial, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.